What's up YouTube, this is Yugioh do Akam Josh Kami Josh. Today I'm gonna be opening 6 random packs, so let's get started. And we'll start with the Jaden Yugi. So let's get started. Alright, so let's see. Okay, here it is. Let's see. I only pulled a Hero Rule 2 rare, the rest are all common. So let's move to the next one. Okay, I pulled out AVI Hero, Infernal Gainer, Reverse of Neos, and the one that I needed, a Neo Special Grand Mole. This was worth my time. Neo Station and Convert Contact. Really happy about this now. Finally achieved of getting a Neo Station Grand Mole. So next pack, Hidden Arsenal. From this set, I hope I actually pull Catasta. I really need that one. I don't want to see the card. I gotta turn it around. Let's keep that for last. Ew. Only pull the Wrath of Neos. Oh, there's... Anyway, moving on. Let's see. Oh, now we could start with the Royal Yellow Mega Pack. I'll start with this side. Hopefully I'll pull some that I might need. Alrighty. I got a card blocker. Offering to the Snake's Destiny Power Bond. Now here we go. I got a rare Gorf. What else? A super, no, actually an ultra. The Six Samurai Yachi. And I got a secret emergent e-call. Nice. And a super hero signal. And the rest of these. This. Nice. So, let's see what I pulled. That's what I pulled. Rare Golf, Ultra, Secret, Super. Now next to last pack for the Raw Yellow. That was good. I hope I pull some that's even more enthusiasm. So let's see. Only pulled a Magical Mallet, a Test Tiger, a Fusion Recovery, a Yubel Terra, an Ultra Wolf Light Swan Beast. Oh, and a secret super polymerization, which I needed, and another hero signal. Wow. I have to thank my friend for this. Actually, my sis. Actually, asked my friend, which I claim my sis, to choose which pack for me. And look at this. Alright, I'm done, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Here's a quick recap of what I pulled that's worth looking at now. The mole, this. Hold on. The mole, the super poly, the wolf, Yubel, heroes, double hero signal, I call Yachi and girl. I think that's about it. Thanks. Oh, no, that's not about it. Yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Comment, subscribe. Peace.